kid in there, bitch. And then he got out the car and he cocked it back and he said, bitch, I'll kill your fucking kid.
Keep coming back. Keep coming back.
March 20th, 2025. Watch what happens when police responded to a road rage incident in which a man allegedly pulled a gun on another driver.
Driver! Hey!
Show me your hands!
Hands in the air! Hands up in the air!
Alright!
Get out of the car!
Keep your hands up and get out of the car! Hands up!
That way! Face that way! Face that way! Turn around! Face that way and put your hands in the air!
Hands up!
Take a step back! Turn around!
Walk!
Turn around! Turn around!
Turn around!
Turn around!
Walk backwards!
Turn around!
Walk towards us! Walk backwards!
Walk backwards to the sound of my voice! Turn around!
Walk towards us backwards!
Hands in the air! Walk backwards to the sound of my voice! Walk backwards to the sound of my voice!
Keep walking, keep walking, keep walking.
Keep walking!
You cover out contacts.
Keep walking!
You cover out
Keep walking!
contacts.
Keep walking! Keep coming back! Keep coming back!
You arrested me, right? Why are you arresting me? What I'm doing? What I do?
We'll explain it. We'll explain it. We'll explain it in a second.
I'm scared, man. I never
Relax.
seen like glasses in that.
Relax.
Who else is in the car?
According to police, the incident began when a woman honked after nearly being hit by another vehicle. Investigators say the other driver stopped, exited his car, and allegedly pointed a firearm at her, threatening to shoot before she drove away. The driver was later identified as Edward.
You're gonna be safe. Listen to me. Huh? No.
You got a gun on you?
No, this is
Where's
20.
the gun?
The gun is in my car. I was literally for your safety cleaning it up, and I was.
Relax. Take a step back. Relax.
I saw this car coming back westbound from Davis when I was making the loop.
Please,
Who else is in that car?
Nobody else is in the car. I'm legal. I'm not. I'm a law-abiding citizen. I'm being honest with y'all. Y'all ain't gotta. Y'all have no threats. Y'all have. I promise y'all don't have no threats, man. I'm just trying to go pick up my brother.
Radio mail's in custody.
I'm 20 years old. I have a registered gun.
Okay.
I'm registered. I bought that.
Okay.
It's not illegal. No, she can check it. It's stupid. My number scratch my eye. No, we don't mean no nothing.
Chill
I'm
out.
clean.
Chill out. Chill out. Chill out.
I am clean. Y'all
Chill out.
Y'all putting me over for no reason. This is a mistake. Why y'all putting me in the back of the car, bro?
We'll explain it to you in a minute. Chill out.
I'm going. Am I going anywhere, bro?
I don't know yet. Chill out.
Why is that?
Because we got a call about you pointing a gun at somebody. So chill out. Don't say anything to me right now. I'm going to read you your rights in a minute. Chill out.
Clear the car. Trunk first?
Nope. Interior car.
Okay. Keep going. Anybody else? Back seat clear. No one up. Good.
All right.
Good.
Clear. Yeah, I saw him coming westbound when I was like halfway to 306.
You have everybody here? Yeah, everybody.
No, please, she was roll raging. She got out of her
Chill
car.
out! Chill out!
Her car.
Where's the gun at?
It's in my glove compartment. I was ended up for this. It was not. It was in self-defense. She started walking up on my car. I didn't
You
know
don't
what she was doing.
self-defense when somebody's in their own car. Sit down.
No.
Put your foot in there.
What do you mean in their own car? What do you mean, man?
Hey, put your foot in the car. Glove box. It's in the glove box.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's okay. So I had to go to CVS to drop off his medication.
Okay.
I was pulling out of CVS, waited, everything was clear. So he was speeding down
I don't know. I don't want to say he was speeding, but he wasn't paying attention. He was on the phone. He was on his phone going like this.
Yeah.
So I'm like, once I was able to pull out, I just beat the horn. I said, "Hey, get off the phone." You know what I'm saying? Because he could have caused the accident. So we stopped at the light. So he pulls all the way up next to the car, like really, really close. So then I knew that he was. I was side by side to someone else almost. He pulled up all the way up on them just so that he could be able to say something to me. So he started screaming and yelling. So I rolled the window down. I was saying, "Get off the phone," because you wasn't paying attention. So he said, "Bitch, I'll fucking kill you. I'll fucking crash out. You got a kid in there, bitch." And then he got out the car and he cocked it back and he said, "Bitch, I'll kill your fucking kid. I'll crash out in this bitch. I'll kill you."
All right, hold on one second. So before he got out of the car, did he already point the gun at you?
Yep.
Okay, can you describe the gun to me?
It's black. It may be about like this big, maybe. It's black. It had like, the handle wasn't real long, but it's maybe about this big. It was black. I just know it was black. It looked black.
Hang on.
Yeah. All right, man, listen to me. Just give me a second, okay? Listen. I'm going to read you your rights. Before we ask you any questions, you must understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer.
You need to calm down. You need to calm down and listen, so then we can talk.
Yes.
We have to read these to you before we can talk.
Okay. Listen. Hey, listen, man. Listen. Let me read you these.
Hey,
we could talk once I read you this. Listen. I'm talking to you.
Listen. If you don't shut up, we're not going to be able to talk to you. Do you understand that? I'm trying to read you your rights so we can talk to you. And I can listen to you then. Do you understand that? Do you understand that?
Trouble, just let me know.
I read you? Put your foot back in.
Why are you being so mean to
Because
me,
I'm trying to read you your rights. You're not listening, and all you're doing is talking.
But you're not trying to hear my side. You just gotta call somebody.
I have to read these to you before I hear you out.
Please don't take me nowhere.
I have to read these to you before I hear you out. Do you understand that?
Man.
Are you going to listen or not?
I'm going to listen.
Okay, let him read you your rights.
You have to put the guns on me, man.
Let him read you your rights, and we'll explain what's going on.
I'm honest with you. You have to do that. I don't know.
He's going to read you your rights.
You have the right to remain silent.
Make a left, it was right here.
So you were right in front of BP?
Because BP is right here, the light's right there. Yes, right here.
Okay, how far back were you in traffic?
Not that far. I mean, it had to be maybe 4 cars, 3 cars in front of me, and maybe like 4 in front of him.
Okay, were you in the right lane, or were you in this left?
I was in the right lane. He was in this lane.
Okay, so
I was in this lane, so it was like this.
Caught it.
All right, we'll check both.
But it was after their driveway and before the light.
Yeah.
I would like to do a photo line, probably just to...
I know exactly what he looks like. He was light skinned. He had a curly hair. That's why I thought he was maybe mixed, because he's very, very light skinned, curly afro hair or whatnot.
Where do you live?
I stay on Glen Allen.
Okay. Did you describe the gun to Officer Shimoni?
Yeah, I don't know what kind of gun it was, but it was black and it was about like this. And the handle wasn't real long. The handle had to be maybe about like this, but the gun was about like this. And it was black.
Back there.
Is am I in trouble?
Well, we're going to bring you back to the jail until further. So.
You're putting me to jail?
Yeah.
Why? You're not going to take my mom?
How old are you?
I'm 20. Why not bringing me to jail, man?
Because you have no reason to point a gun at somebody right now.
I promise you don't. What is this?
138, are you good for me to sign your report number?
Why did you come at me and then call the cops at me, bro?
Yes, go ahead with
That was
it.
the problem. I wasn't doing nothing.
Later, officers arrested Edward. He was charged with aggravated menacing. Investigators say the altercation began when Edward, distracted by his phone, nearly collided with the woman's vehicle, prompting her to honk. Edward reportedly feared a road rage situation, which led him to threaten her with a firearm. Officers located Edward's vehicle, detained him, and found a loaded semi-automatic handgun inside. Edward was released after posting bond and is due back in court for his arraignment on April 14, 2025. The situation highlights the dangers of road rage and the extreme reactions it can provoke.